question 6 now. This one is to do with logarithms, and they've given us two logarithms with base 2. So a is log to base 2x, b is log to base 2x plus 8. So in essence, what that means, that if a is the number that 2 must be raised to give you x, so therefore 2 to the power of a equals x. And the second one tells us log to base 2, so if b is the number that 2 must be raised to give us x plus 8. So therefore 2 to the power of b is x plus 8. So using those facts, we can now answer these questions. So for part A, I want to express in terms of a or b and or b log to base 2 root x. So log to base 2 root x. First of all, we want to change that format so that it's in index form, so that'll be x to the power of half. Using the power law, that means it's going to be, that can be moved to the front, so it'll be half log base 2 x. And we know that log to base 2x is a, therefore it's going to be half a, or a over 2. Similarly for part B, this time I want log to base 2 x squared plus 8x. Let's factorize that out. So we get log to base 2 x plus 8. Now again, using the multiplying laws, if two logs are being multiplied, that means it can be rewritten as them added together. So I can rewrite that as log to base 2 x plus log to base 2 x plus 8. Remember, this is thinking of it in terms of your power laws. We know that, for example, x to the power of a plus x to the power of b, you can add them like that. In this case, you're doing the same kind of thing, but you're doing it backwards in terms of logs. So if it's being multiplied here, that means you can rewrite them as an addition. So from here, log to base 2 of x, again, we know is a, and that's going to be log to base 2 x plus 8 is equal to b, so it's a plus b. And finally, part C, I want log to base 2 8 plus 64 over x. Let's rewrite this. Let's make that a little bit neater. So that will be 8x plus 64 over x. And if we rewrite that again, you can factorize out there. So log to base 2 8 bracket x plus 8 over x. Now similarly, like we said before about the power rule, where you can add when they're being multiplied, when they're being divided, that means you can rewrite them as subtractions. So this will be log to base 2 8x plus 8 minus log to base 2 x. And because these are being multiplied here, you can even separate those two. So that will be log to base 2 8 plus log to base 2 x plus 8 minus log to base 2 x. And then in terms of a and b, log to base 2 of x we know is a. Log to base 2 x plus 8 we know was b. And then we've got to think, what number do you raise 2 to give you 8? And that would be 3, because we know that 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So in essence, that has the value 3. So our final answer will be 3 plus b